With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, read the following statement A to E and choose a suitable option with respect to respiration. So first one is a series of low stepwise reactions controlled by enzymes, breaking of the carbon-carbon bonds of respiratory substrate through oxidation within cells, liberation of energy, breakdown of complex molecule to yield energy, which takes place in mitochondria only. Carbon skeleton produced during respiration is not used as a precursor for cellular biosynthesis of other molecule. So first of all, here we will see about the respiration. Respiration, it is a slow stepwise reactions controlled by different enzyme. Most common respiratory substrate that is being used is the glucose. From glucose, via process of glycolysis, pyruvate molecule is being formed. We can say that from glucose, pyruvate is being formed by the process that is the glycolysis, and then pyruvate it can enter into the two ways depending upon the aerobic or anaerobic respiration. If it's a aerobic respiration, means there is oxygen present, and there is second condition is the anaerobic. If it is an aerobic respiration, it would enter into the Krebs cycle or Tca cycle via acetyl CoA, and then the oxidative phosphorylation occur. If there is no oxygen, then it will undergo the fermentation. Fermentation could be in two ways. One is the lactic acid fermentation and other one is the ethanol fermentation. Lactic acid and other one is the ethanol, and this is the fate of the aerobic and the anaerobic respiration. Now this process is glycolysis. This occur in the cytoplasm. It is common in both aerobic and the anaerobic. Here we can see that after pyruvate, aerobic and anaerobic distribution occur. Otherwise, this step glycolysis, it is common in both aerobic and the anaerobic respiration, and this process, these occur in the mitochondria. So overall respiration is, we can define that it is the breakdown of complex molecule into the simpler molecule to liberate the energy or release the energy, and that energy then it is being transported, that energy is being used by the cells for the vital activity. Now we will see the statements. First statement say a series of low stepwise reaction controlled by enzyme. This is correct because it is not a single step reaction, it is a series of reaction. In glycolysis 10 reactions are there which are controlled by different enzymes. In Tca cycle, it is a cyclic form of the respiration metabolism where different enzymes are involved. In fermentation, different enzymes are involved. So it is a series, not a single or two reactions. It is a series of slow stepwise reaction controlled by enzyme. So this is correct statement. Next is breaking the carbon-carbon bonds of respiratory substrate through oxidation within cell. This is also correct because in respiration mainly energy is being liberated when the carbon-carbon bond in the glucose that is being break down, and it results in the release of energy. Not only glucose, other respiratory molecules are there. If the glucose is not present, that can also act as a respiratory substrate, that is fats, proteins. So major choice or favored respiratory product is carbohydrates and glucose, but when this is not present, then fats and proteins also act as a respiratory substrate. But all respiratory substrate breaking of these bonds result in the release of energy. This is correct. Next, liberation of energy. This is correct because in both the processes aerobic or anaerobic energy is being liberated. Breakdown of complex molecule to yield energy. This is correct, which takes place in mitochondria only. This is incorrect because here we have seen that one of the very initial step of the respiration, that is glycolysis, it occur in the cytoplasm. So we can't say that every reaction that takes place in mitochondria. This is incorrect. Carbon skeleton produced during respiration is not used as a precursor for cellular biosynthesis of other molecule. So this statement here we will see, they are saying carbon skeleton produced during respiration. So during respiration, starting from glucose to end product by energy, there is certain intermediates are formed that are being used for biosynthesis of other molecule. If we'll talk about the Tca cycle or the Krebs cycle, in Krebs cycle, two important intermediates are formed, that is alpha ketoglutarate and the oxaloacetate. Alpha keto, these are two intermediates formed in the Krebs cycle. These two are used in biosynthesis of various amino acid. Amino acid biosynthesis, in these two act as a precursor. Alpha ketoglutarate act as a precursor for glutamate, arginine, proline. Oxaloacetate act as a precursor for aspartate. So we can't say that the carbon skeleton produced during respiration is not used. They used as a precursor for cellular biosynthesis of other molecules. So this is also incorrect statement. Here we will see option. Option is B, C and E are correct. But here E is incorrect or A is also correct. So this is incorrect. D and E are incorrect. D and E are incorrect. This is correct option because both are wrong. Only D is incorrect. Both are, so this is incorrect. And A and E, this is also incorrect. So correct option is option B, that is D and E. These are the wrong or incorrect. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.